Okay, so we're about to go into the two bedroom, and let's go see it. Alexis, take it away.
Yes, this is the B1 at 1137 square feet. This one is very gorgeous. You have a downtown and Highland Park view for this one.
Wow. Okay, already love it. Oh, this is a party waiting to happen. This is a fun room. It's got so much light. It's got so many windows, a lot of space. I could definitely see a fun party, a well-behaved party, but a good party happening here. This would just be a blast. You could just show off your apartment with just a lot of pride in this area. So awesome. Okay.
Yeah, absolutely. So very large horizontal island right here in the kitchen. Again, you're going to have all soft close. This floor plan will come with trash and recycle bins too for you.
Nice.
Yes.
She's right. This is massive. This is a huge island. You could absolutely have, I'd say 4 bar stools, if you wanted to, just kind of ready to go there. And I love it that they put the marble on here too. So that's just really pretty.
Oh, yeah.
What else?
And your own little breakfast nook.
Breakfast nook. Okay.
And then you can look at the city.
Those are great views. She's right. Look at this. So you've got downtown Dallas over there. You can see sort of kind of some uptown buildings, but pretty much downtown Dallas. Mm-hmm. And then you're right next to 75, so you can zoom out quick. And then, oh gosh, let's see these. Let's see a little bit more of this kitchen real quick. Just that beautiful marble that you're seeing there. It's just, I love it how they've put the marble on the backsplash and then on the countertop too. It's just really pretty. Oh yes, she's showing off here. We got to see this. That's really pretty. Oh wow, this is so, and it's so deep. Look how deep this is. You could just put a mountain of dishes in here, no problem. And that's coming from someone that has a lot of paper dishes or pretty much eats out all the time. So, but I can appreciate that, and I sure love it. This is, oh gosh, look at these appliances, so pretty.
So upgraded GE stainless steel appliances.
Nice. Oh, look at all these cute little drawers. This is so cute. I love these little cute things, and they're all soft close too. Yes. But just plenty of space. Oh gosh, look at that space. Such a big fridge. Okay. Absolutely love it.
Freezer storage too.
Wow. Okay, so you'll be all set here too. And then you got plenty of space also for creating your culinary masterpieces. So you're all good and ready to go.
Yes.
Okay, let's take a look. Let's take a look in the bedrooms.
This is the master. So still fits a king size bed in here.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Great space. You have the USB ports in every room.
Oh gosh, that is really. I have not seen that.
Yes.
Oh, look at that, y'all. That's so cool. I like that. Oh, so cool.
And a couple nightstands beside your bed. My favorite part is the bathroom.
Look at this bathroom. It's dual sink. It's marble. It's gorgeous, and it's very. I like it's just kind of. I like the light that it's kind of soft, coming from the back like that. It's not overpowering. Very, very nice.
Yes.
And plenty of space for storage of towels and whatever else, and all sorts of space down here too. That really pretty kind of gray, right?
Yes.
Gray. Yep, gray. Mm-hmm. And then, oh gosh, look at those 6-inch, 18-inch, 6x18 tiles. Absolutely love those. And then, yes, nice.
Alcove soaking tubs, and then you still have the rainfall champagne gold shower head.
Okay, really, really pretty. And here's the walk-in here too. So I've walked in and just kind of seeing it for you so you can see it. So good storage in here. Oh, this is so cute. Absolutely love it. And just a little bit more about the mirrors there. I love it. I like what Alexis said before about the selfie mirrors. That's beautiful. Perfect. Okay. See the other bedroom?
Yes.
Oh, the balcony. Let's see this balcony.
If you can tell, it cancels out a lot of noise whenever you close the doors. All of them are double pane windows.
Yeah, she's totally right because I couldn't hear anything, and then we are, somewhat near the highway, and so yeah, you couldn't hear a thing. And then you've got these great views over here of really all that you can access either in walking distance or in a super quick drive. My favorite thing that's close is the Knox Shops. Those are just right down the street, not too far. But then also, of course, the Katy Trail that's there, and then Highland Park neighborhood. Yep. So beautiful neighborhood. That is the neighborhood to be in Dallas. So beautiful neighborhood. So this is also a great place. Let's say you're building your house or getting your house redone, renovated. This would be a great location to be at. To maybe be here a year or two while your house is being prepared. It'd be a fun location. Okay. So we've got that, and then all right. So here's the other bedroom, and it's similar. It's going to be a little smaller as far as the bathroom, but similar for the bedroom.
Still fit a king size
Mm-hmm.
for sure.
King size in here. Yep.
And then again, you have the closed and the closet.
Really nice. Cute.
Oh yeah.
Nice. And then the closet in here too. Really cute. So that's your second bathroom, second bedroom. Okay. So, so cute. Absolutely love it. This would be a wonderful place to enjoy life for 1, 2, 3, or 4 years. And again, here's just kind of an overview of just the look, and it's just so cute, so open. And that kitchen is waiting for some eggs to be put on it, some souffles, watch some cooking shows and make some stuff at the same time. So really nice. Really love it.
For your Super Bowl
Sunday. Super Bowl Sunday.
For sure.
Ready to go. Okay. All right. Wonderful. Love that. Thank you so much.